Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink install video. Today we got the HP Smart Tank Plus 551 and we're going to be showing you how to install the ink. These are ink bottles that we're going to be installing, but there's going to be links in the description below for the ink bottles at a cheaper price, as well as this printer itself and some other resources for you down below. So getting right into it, you're going to take off all of the plastic, and then there are some covers that you need to remove before you actually start installing the ink. So first we're going to be installing the black ink. Now you may have to wiggle it around a little bit before it starts pushing the ink through into the compartment there. But after a little bit of moving it around, it was able to start. I didn't have this problem with any of the other ink bottles. Now you can install these in any order you want, but with these, cyan and yellow, you can install them at the same time, so it's a little bit quicker. So just like that, you're taking your bottle, flipping it up, and the ink won't start coming out until it's kind of in a way latched onto that nozzle. And then you're going to allow the ink to drip all the way through into the these compartments, these ink compartments, and you can watch them fill all the way up. And you want to use up the whole bottle. Because you don't ever want this to run dry. As soon as you get to halfway, you want to make sure that you're filling it up with new ink, and so that's why I'm providing that link in the description below for some new ink. Alright, it's the same process with the magenta ink bottle. You're opening it up and you're flipping it over so that the ink can drip into the compartment. It's some pretty simple stuff, but I really hope that this video is helping you out. That little tap that I did there, you don't ever need to tap or squeeze these bottles. Just keep that in mind as well. Alright, and that is it with the ink bottle installation. All of your ink is installed, and now you're going to install these ink cartridges that actually work as print heads. So this is a little bit of an extra step on these printers, but watch through the whole thing. I'm going to speed through a little bit just because in my unboxing video of this printer I did go through exactly what you need to do. So you can refer back to that video that I will link to in the description below if you kind of miss anything here. Alright, that's all I have for now. I hope this video was helpful. If you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions at all, comment below. Make sure to check out those links in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.